Welcome to the Sage Partner Community. This tutorial is a quick start orientation guide for the resources you'll use and to show you how to get registered for access. You are going to need your account number, which is on the welcome email you received. The links for these sites are also available on the welcome email. Let's start with Sage Sell. This is where you will find your sales and marketing tools. We'll log on to mysagecell.com. On the left is the login page. Select Register. The registration form will appear on the next screen shown on the right. Once you fill this out, there is a verification process, so you won't have immediate access, but I'll log in so you can get a quick peek at the available resources here. You can see the different categories along the top here. The latest news, documents, product playbooks, upcoming events, and resources, which we'll go ahead and select, and you'll see the links for the other resources we'll be visiting: Sage City, Partner Portal, and Sage University. For a more detailed look at Sage Sell, please watch the Navigating Sage Sell tutorial. Sage University, or Sage U as we call it, is where you will take your required certification courses as well as any additional training you may be interested in. You can log on to sageu.com. To register for access, select your region, then select the appropriate hyperlink that pops up. Some regions have more than one. On the left, select New Sage Partner that you see inside the circled area. This will take you to the next screen shown on the right. You'll be able to create your partner profile by making that selection and following the instructions. Once you're registered, you're ready to go. For a more in-depth look at Sage University and how to select your training, please watch the Navigating Sage University tutorial. Next, we want to get you set up for the Partner Portal. This is your access for product downloads, knowledge base articles, and more. You will need to email partner.portal@sage.com to request access. The screenshot on the left is the landing page, which is where you'll log on once you do have access. I've logged in so you can see the landing page and the resources available to you. For a deeper dive into this site, you can view the Navigating Sage Partner Portal tutorial. Last but certainly not least is Sage City. This is an additional resource full of partner-driven forums. For access, enter your email and select Join or Sign In and follow the prompts. If you're having any login or registration issues, you can email sagecitymayor@sage.com, shown just below the green arrow. There are forums from around the globe for all of the product lines, available 24/7, so feel free to roam around and join in. For a detailed tour of Sage City, please view the Sage City Community Video Tour in the knowledge base. Be sure to check out the blogs, podcasts, and Sage Advice for relevant articles and content generation. We look forward to building our relationship with you. Your success is our success. Thank you for partnering with Sage.